Alright, what's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy. Hold on, start over. Alright, what's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video, man. So today we about to go get the giveaway stuff. About to go mail it off. About to go mail off the giveaway thing. So and then I gotta go drive to La Plata to go get everything hydro dip for the first place winner. So that's what I'm about to do today. If I do something else, hey, y'all gonna be along with me, man. So I'm about to get in this car, but what am I doing, man? If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day. And don't forget, don't skip none of the ads. You help your boy out to continue you know, making this mods for the 300. You know, I do it myself, but of course it will be greatly obliged if you know help out the campaign and don't skip none of the ads. All right, so let's go ahead and get this this cold start on this 300. You know who? Ooh, she sound aggressive when we can hear it. Man, she be rocking when she do that. Dancing right there, man. That's like music to my ears. You know, when I hear music, I just start dancing, man. I can't help it. And it's hot as a mug again. Please turn on. I don't even know why I closed the door. I be rocking, bro. I be having music blasting. You feel me? Alright, but I catch you at the mailbox. About to drop everything off. I'll put on IG, so you know I'm mailing it to them and everything, just so everybody can feel secure, man. Cause I don't try to do anybody dirty. I was done dirty, so I don't want that happening to me. I don't want to be scammed or anything like that, so I'm not going to scam none of my people. That's not the cool thing. All positive vibes. So yeah, let's go do this. All right, man, we got the second winner. What's his name? Drake Rumbler. Hey, your stuff is coming to you, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in right now. So I just dropped off the emblem to get hydro dip. He kind of wanted it simple, but you gotta follow him if you want to know what it is. Yeah, I just dropped it off at East Coast Hydrographic, man. Shout out to him, man. He always hooking me up, doing the thing. So I'm about to get that done, and I got some work, y'all. I was talking to him about underneath the hood of my car, you know. So we just getting things done. On to the next one. All right, it's the next morning. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cold start or warm start, whatever it is. I ain't started the car out. So is it? If it's not cold outside, is it still a cold start? Yeah, I got my windows down before. Oof, pollen. It is springtime, y'all. You can see I got Vaseline on my face. It's springtime and pollen is here. You can't keep your car clean in springtime. In Maryland, we have green pollen that layers on the cars. Lays on that thick. All you can do is spray it down. Let's gonna get back on there. So you can't really waste all your energy and stuff like that. Just keep on doing it. So can't beat it, join it. Pollen you can't beat. Alright, so what we're about to do now, we're about to go head up to Hughes. It's an Italian nice place. My seatbelt on for y'all, so I don't be saying nothing. Safety first. About to go meet up. Huey's got us a supporter, a subscriber. Gonna meet up with him, give him a sticker. He wanted a 300 sticker, so about to go do that. What else? Meet up with the car crew. I haven't met up with them in a minute. Been so busy, and sometimes when I try to go out, is the day I have to go to work. So kind of like always beats me, the job part. So I don't gotta go to work right now. So. Work is done, so yeah, meet up with them. start it like I got another introduction, but y'all, what's good, Grizzly Gang? All right, so I'm here back again. I'm about to go. About to go to a car meet. About to go. No. First, y'all, I'm probably gonna have a lot of stuff at the beginning, but it's gonna be the next day of whatever day it is. So it's Saturday, man. So SRT Bree is coming up here from. Where's she from? Georgia. So she coming down to the DMV, man. She coming up to the DMV. So now I'm about to go. They got this copyright music over here, but I got Black Beauty over here. She getting done with everything, and then yeah, we about to go up there in Baltimore. That's where she want to meet. I don't know why she want to go to Baltimore. She could have came to DC. She could have came in the Maryland side, but Maryland is Baltimore, but it's not part of the DMV. All right, so everybody comment down below. Y'all already know what I mean. But is Baltimore part of the DMV? I don't think it is, okay? I've been here about 10 years plus, and I feel the same way, all right? All right, but we about to go, yeah, we got Black Beauty car wash, which is a check. What is next? We have the job up there at Baltimore, so yeah, that's what we're about to do. I got the whole gang with me. I got Monty, I got my son, and I got my nephew with me, man. So we got the car full of everything, man. They getting me done. Let's go. Yes, sir. That thing is hot. You got the hell key. Oh, that's you right there? He fucked that jank. Yeah, we got SRT Bree. I'm probably not going to introduce her on the camera and stuff like that. I'm going to talk to her probably later. Don't hit me, dude. That's cool. Got to meet SRT Bree, man. That's cool. Gonna meet more people. She is set. She got security on that. Look at that dude. He's strong as the blood. I think I give him some go. I might have a muscle. It's like, I'll just like, I ain't about that long. I ain't want no beef. But yeah, she got the whole entourage. It's cool, man. Cool vibes, man. Okay. Got the Mopar hood on that thing. I see you, dog. Get that joint on there. Yes, sir. Sweet.
I mean, I love it.
I ain't down with that. Cool. Yeah.
But where my hat at? Can I see that hat? Can you get it up close and personal? And she signed it, so you know.
Oh, you got a sign? You got a sign? Let me see that, Jay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's not.
I gotta support my people, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, got to.
That's what we gotta do, man. All of us. I hate shit be coming out, man. Fuck that shit.
You trying to buy some merch?
Huh?
You trying to buy some merch? I got some merch.
How much?
Oh, I don't know. We can make a deal.
Hey man, when you gonna do my video, man? Tiny put it on camera for everybody else.
Where your car
He said, what you gonna do about
They
me?
told me my car be out the shop tomorrow.
It's in the shop. So when it come out the shop, we can get a video.
He just confirmed my car will be picked up tomorrow.
Here you go. So look.
Stay tuned for what's going down.
Next Sunday.
Yeah,
Next
17.
You straight.
I'm straight.
Next
I'm off on
Sunday, we locking in Do the Dash.
Do the dash.
The bandit himself.
The bandit himself.
From the dash?
Next Sunday, all right, we got two bandits.
I'm popping up.
Next Sunday? We got three
Man,
bandits.
yes, sir.
We got the
Definitely.
three of them.
You gonna bring the Eggos too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and the Eggos. Don't
And
forget
the
about the Eggos. I ain't recorded on the last video, but the Eggos.
The Eggos.
We got three bandits. We locked in three Do the
Hey,
Dash
we gonna do the dash.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring
on Sunday. So look, we will be in the scats. This is my first time in the scat. I've been in every other. I've been in the RT, a V6.
It's not no regular scat though. This is a bandit scat.
But this is
It's a bandit.
It's a bandit scat. Three bandits. You already see what his cat did to my RT in that one video. So I don't even
We're not
want
even gonna talk about that. He's a cheat code.
We ain't even talking about that. That was dangerous. Look at it right in the back.
Look at his back.
I'm traumatized.
Oh, his got slicks and stuff on it too.
Slicks, yeah. Slicks, rims, gas, throttle
Yeah, he ready for it.
full
Okay.
pack. He got it.
That's different.
He's dangerous.
I'm
He's
different.
dangerous.
We locked in next Sunday. You know what you get into next Sunday? All right, next Sunday. Here we go. Content, man.
Always got it. Yeah, I mean,
look,
I got work next week, but I'm good on that next Sunday. Yeah. I'll be good.
Watching bandits. We just got to put it dash.
Yeah, I'm down. Check nice too. Check real clean. right, Grizzly Gang. All right, so it's the next day. Well, the next few days. It is Monday right now. I just got off work, had to change my clothes. See, got this little shirt on, got the haircut, and I said, all right. But hey, shout out to everybody that made it out there. And for the few people, I should have been recording, but the music was playing and stuff like that. It's kind of hard to like record and you got music and things like that, you know. So that's why I really wanted to record more of SRT Bree, but people was blasting music and stuff like that, so it was really kind of hard. And when I did have the camera out, it was like, hey, I just wanted to just talk and just say what's up to her. I'm Grizzly Mar, just introduce myself to her. Respect what she does. She's real cool. It's funny. She told me that she is from. She says she's from Virginia. She's part of the DMV, man, but she did live in Georgia. And see, we DMV, we everywhere, man. We travel. So, hey, Grizzly Gang, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out these bangers every single daggone day. And don't forget to hit that bell with your like and subscribe, and come back to the next video. Hey, shout out to everybody too. My boy Pro Vezzy, he was out there too. I think he has more content with SRT Bree. I had to go, you know, so I didn't get that much footage. And then I think Martin Ray Hemi, he got some footage of SRT Bree too. If you want to see more footage, I just introduced myself to her, and that was pretty much it for me. I didn't really do that much, but hopefully next time I see her, I'll have more time, because I was really with my family, and I was just trying to just get there, get some content for you guys, but it didn't really happen that way. Yeah, so hopefully y'all liked the video, man. I was just doing so much hustling and bustling, but yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.